Watch out that you are not deceived. For many will come in my name, claiming I am he, and the time is near. Do not follow them. When you hear of wars and revolutions, do not be frightened. These things must happen first, but the end will not come right away. Nation will rise against nation, as we are seeing today in 2025, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be great earthquakes, famines, and pestilences in various places. You can see it. And fearful events and great signs from heaven. But before all this, they will lay hands on you and persecute you. They'll deliver you to synagogues and prisons, and you will be brought before kings, that is presidents, and governors, and all on account of my name. This will result in your being witnesses to them. But make your mind not to worry beforehand how you will defend yourselves. Alright? For I'll give you words and wisdom that none of your adversaries will be able to resist or contradict. I repeat, I'll give you words and wisdom that none of your adversaries, none of your enemies will be able to resist or contradict. I repeat, for I will give you words and wisdom that none of your enemies will be able to resist or contradict. You will be betrayed even by parents, brothers, relatives, and friends, and they will put some of you to death. All men will hate you because of me. All men will hate you because of me. Not some men. All men will hate you because of me. I repeat, not some men. All men will hate you because of me. But not a hair of your head will perish. Not even a hair of your head will perish. By standing firm, you'll gain life. Amen. But thanks to God that Kenya is a God-fearing nation. Though there will be persecution, as you can see, we are under turbulences. And I can't see anything that makes us or makes we ourselves as Kenyans to allow ourselves to go through turbulences. But as the word said, don't be deceived. Men will come in my name, claiming I am he, and the time is near. Don't be deceived. Do not follow them. Do not follow them. Don't be deceived.